Hi, I'm Jenny, a digital marketing intern at Histolab USA, and today I'm excited to showcase one of our standout products, the Azulene DNA Cream. So as someone with dry, sensitive, and acne-prone skin, I've been testing it out, and I want to share how it feels, how it works, and what makes it so special.
The Azulene DNA Cream is a lightweight, soothing moisturizer that restores hydration, calms irritation, and supports skin regeneration. Its star ingredient, azulene, is derived from chamomile and helps reduce redness. This gives the cream its natural blue tint. It also contains sodium DNA, which helps repair and strengthen the skin barrier over time. It is suitable for all skin, especially helpful if your skin gets red or irritated. After cleansing, which should always be your first step, I go in with the Histolab Water Max Infusion Mist as a toner to gently hydrate and prep my skin. Next, I apply the 72% Azulene Complex ampule. This adds an extra layer of hydration while calming any irritation or redness. Now for the star of my routine, the Azulene DNA Cream. It feels soothing the moment it touches my skin, and it helps support my moisture barrier without clogging pores. That would be the last step for my night routine. For my morning routine, I'll finish off with the Histolab Sunblock Forever Plus. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and works perfectly under makeup. The Azulene DNA Cream has been a game changer for my sensitive, acne-prone skin. What I love most about it is how it helps strengthen my skin barrier and supports healing over time. It gives my skin that soft, healthy glow, especially on days when I feel stressed or reactive. It has been very helpful in calming my hormonal flare-ups. Since using it consistently, I've noticed my skin feels more plump, less irritated, and looks brighter in the morning. Just like my mind, my skin craves moments of calm. If you're looking for a nourishing cream that calms, hydrates, and supports your skin barrier, definitely check out the Azulene DNA Cream on our website. Thanks for watching.